Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can free write code in cursor. So first of all you need to open your cursor, then here you can see terminal, click on terminal, then click here new terminal. So it will open the terminal over here. After that what you need to do is that you need to install a AI. So in order to install a AI we need to go to our browser and we need to search over here kilo.ai, then press enter. So it will take us to this page and here you can see CLI. So we are going to click on CLI and then we are going to click on npm. So here it will show you a command npm install -g @ KiloCode/CLI. So we need to copy this, then we'll go back to our cursor, then we are going to paste it over here npm install -g KiloCode/CLI and press enter. So it will install KiloCode in our cursor and it will only take a few seconds to install. So right now I'll just fast forward the video and there you can see installation is complete and it only took around 29 seconds. So KiloCode right now is installed inside our cursor. So right now we can close this and let's go and open a folder. So let me just click on file, then click here open folder. So let's say we'll create a folder over here. So we're going to click on new, then click here folder. Let's say the folder name will be cursor 5 code. So now we'll select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will be open inside cursor as you can see. So right now what we are going to do is that we're going to click on terminal and click here new terminal. So since KiloCode AI is installed in our cursor, so if we just say over here KiloCode and press enter, it will open the KiloCode interface over here. And there you can see, so we have the KiloCode interface over here. Let me just make it a little bit of bigger. So here you can see we have the KiloCode chat option and here you can see code. So if you now click on tab, it will go to the ask mode. So here you can ask any question, and if you go to the debug mode, it will debug your project. And here you can see orchestrator mode, and here you can see you have the plan mode. So if you just give a plan and press enter, it will generate a plan for you. So if I now click on tab, it will go to the plan mode. And here you can see models. So if I just say over here /models and press enter, it will show you all the free models and paid models over here. There you can see. So in order to use the paid model, you need to log in to the KiloCode and then you need to pay a subscription fee for KiloCode. But if you want to use the free model, then you don't have to pay anything. So I'll just go to the models and here you can see NVIDIA. So this is the best free model, but what I'll suggest you is that you should choose the auto free. So for it, you just need to search over here auto, and here you can see auto free Kilo Gateway. So we're going to click here and it will choose this model. So here I'm going to give a prompt that I want to make an amazing Milky Way galaxy animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I'll press enter. So right now KiloCode will read this prompt, and after reading the prompt, it will start generating files and then it will start generating code for us. So it will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video until it's complete. And there you can see it's done. So right now let me just go to the project location, which was cursor vibe code, and here you can see milkyway.html. So I'll just double click here and it will open in the browser, and here you can see it's created an animation, and it also given us some button over here. So it created a simple animation, and I don't think the button is working properly. Okay, the button is working, but I don't like it actually. So let me just give another prompt. The button is not working properly, and I don't like the design. It does not look like a galaxy. Then press enter. So for KiloCode, if you want to use the free model, I'll always suggest you to use the auto free. Okay, so it will choose a model depending on your prompt. So it will choose different model depending on your different prompt. And there you can see it's done. And if you want to check the code, just click here and you'll be able to see all the code over here. You can see. So I think it generated around 600 line of code, 639. So let me just go to the browser again and let me refresh. And there you can see the design changed right now. It's now way better. And I can enable trials. I can create supernova. There you can see there is a supernova going on. I can toggle the dust. So yeah, if I just keep more prompt, it will generate more better animation and better design. So yeah, this is how you can type code completely for free inside Cursor using KiloCode. So there is no limit of how much you can use KiloCode, but if you want to use other model which is not free, then you have to pay for it. Okay. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.